AI Stocks Made Simple by David L. Wadley, a multi-part investing series. Chapter 4, How to Start Trading Online. Trading can feel intimidating at first, but the basic steps are simple. This chapter walks you through the process so you feel comfortable placing your first trade. What is online trading? Online trading means using an app or website to buy shares in companies called stocks. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of that company. It is like taking one or two small slices from a larger pizza. Years ago, you needed a broker on Wall Street to place trades. Today, beginner-friendly apps have made it possible for almost anyone to invest. Popular trading platforms for beginners. Here are some well-known platforms. 1. SoFi combines banking, budgeting tools, and investing in one app. 2. E-Trade offers strong education and research tools. 3. Fidelity, highly trusted, with great support and long-term tools. 4. Robinhood, simple design, easy for first-time users. 5. eToro, offers social and copy trading features. 6. TD Ameritrade, rich education and paper trading practice. 7. Webull, detailed charts and data for analysis. 8. Moomoo, advanced analytics and tools for active traders. You do not need to be rich or a math expert to use these. You only need patience and a willingness to learn. Step 1. Open your trading account. When you open an account, the app will ask for 1. Full name, to verify your identity. 2. Date of birth, to confirm you are old enough to invest or have proper permission. 3. Address, required by law for financial accounts. 4. Social security number, for tax reporting and security checks. 5. Email and password, to log in safely. This information may feel serious, but it is normal. These rules exist to prevent fraud and protect your money. Step 2. Add money to your account. To buy a stock, you must first deposit money into your trading account. Typical steps. 1. Connect your bank account to the app. 2. Choose how much you want to transfer. 3. Confirm the transfer. Some apps give you instant buying power. Others take 1 to 3 business days to complete the transfer. Beginner tip: start with a small amount, such as $10 or $20. Treat this as part of your learning process, not as a way to get rich quickly. Step 3. Find a stock. Every app has a search bar. To look up NVIDIA, for example, you can type 1. NVIDIA, 2, or its ticker symbol, NVDA. The app will show you 1. The company name and ticker. 2. The current price. 3. A price chart. 4. Recent news and basic information. Step 4. Understand the company page. A typical company page includes 1. Price, the cost of one share. Many apps also support fractional shares. 2. Chart, a graph showing how the stock has moved over different time periods. 3. Summary or about, a short description of what the company does. 4. News, recent articles and updates, optional to read as a beginner. 5. Key statistics, financial numbers you can learn later. At this stage, focus mainly on the price, chart, and summary. Step 5. Place your first order. Most apps offer order types. The main ones are 1. Market order, buys the stock immediately at the best available price. This is the simplest for beginners. 2. Limit order, buys only if the price reaches a number you choose. This is useful later, but not required at the start. On the buy screen, you will usually see 1. How many shares you want to buy, or dollar amount for fractional shares. 2. Order type, market or limit. 3. Estimated cost. When you tap confirm or submit, your order will be sent. If it fills, the stock appears in your portfolio. At that moment, you are officially an investor. Step 6. Read your portfolio. Your portfolio shows 1. The stocks you own. 2. The number of shares. 3. What you paid, cost basis. 4. The current value. 5. Your gain or loss. Important reminder. 1. A red number does not mean you failed. 2. A green number does not mean you are a genius. Stock prices move constantly. The goal is long-term growth, not short-term excitement. Common beginner mistakes to avoid. 1. Checking the app every few minutes. 2. Buying many different stocks right away. 3. Expecting fast money. 4. Following social media hype without research. Better habits. 1. Start slow. 2. Use small amounts. 3. Learn how the app works. 4. Focus on a few companies you understand. Mini summary. Chapter 4. 1. Open a trading account. 2. Add a small amount of money. 3. Search for a stock you understand. 4. Read the company page. 5. Place a simple market order. 6. Watch your portfolio calmly and learn. Now that you know how to start trading, the next step is deciding how much to invest and how often. Up next in this series, in the next video. Chapter 5, How much to spend and how often. AI stocks made simple. Continue to the next chapter.